Hello, this is two examples from Chapter 5, Section 5, okay, in Honors Geometry. And the first example is if A, B, C, D is a parallelogram with consecutive angles in a ratio of 3:2, okay? Find the measure of each angle in the parallelogram. So in a parallelogram, the consecutive angles are supplementary. So in a ratio of 3:2, it's going to be 3 times an angle plus 2 times the measure of the angle is equal to 180. So if you solve this for x, you get 36. Now, you substitute that x back into each one of these two x's, and 3 times 36 is 108, and 2 times 36 is 72. So what that means is that each angle in this parallelogram is 108, 72, 108, and 72. Okay? So that's how you find the angles if the consecutive angles in a parallelogram are in a ratio of 3:2. Example 2 is an isosceles trapezoid with two diagonals. And it's P here, D here, Q here, X here, and Y here. And PY is equal to 6 times A. YQ is equal to A plus 10. And DX is equal to 2A plus 20. And our task is to find dy. Here's dy. What we should know about an isosceles trapezoid is it really makes two isosceles triangles. It doesn't say that anywhere, but this segment is congruent to this segment. Okay? Because, for a few reasons, but this triangle is an isosceles triangle, and this triangle here is an isosceles triangle. Now, I'm going to substitute each one of those values into the diagram. So this is 6a py, yq is a plus 10, and dx, which is this right here, okay, I'm going to put that outside the diagram, dx, all right, dx equals 2a plus 20. So, we have to know that this diagonal and this diagonal are congruent. So I'm going to get 2a plus 20, which is this diagonal, is equal to 6 plus 1 is 7a plus 10. So that's what you need. And so here, a equals 2. Okay? Now, we want to find dy. So if we want to find dy, that's this segment right here. And we substitute the 2 into this to get 12. So dy equals 12. So that's how we find dy. Those are two examples from 5-5.